Hi friends, Tiziana here today, and as we're getting closer to Halloween season, I wanted to come on here and talk to you about some of my favorite patterns to use when creating costumes. We have so many beautiful patterns here at Ellie and Mac, and when I'm thinking of creating a costume to wear for Halloween or for any occasion that I have coming up, like a party or something like that, I'm always looking at Ellie and Mac patterns that can be turned into a costume but can also be worn as just everyday clothing when I'm done using it as a costume. So I wanted to come on here and tell you about some of my favorites and maybe inspire you so that next time when you're starting to sew your costume, you can look at our patterns and use them as inspiration to create your beautiful design. In this video, I'm going to show you some adult patterns and some kid patterns. There's a little mixture of both. And then at the end, I would love for you to comment below and let me know what you think I should make this year as my Halloween costume. And I might come on here and just make a video about it. Let me know if that's something that you would love to see. All right, so first we're going to start with some kid base patterns that are perfect for costumes. And how could I start this video and not mention our Once Upon a Princess pattern bundle. The Once Upon a Princess is a pattern bundle that gives you all the patterns needed to make a princess capsule. Now, if you're interested in that, you need to go check it out because there are pictures of inspirations, and I'll add some on here, on what different princess dresses you can make out of different Ellie and Mac patterns. Now, I'm not going to be naming every single one of them because I want to show you the pictures, but I will mention that every single one of these is actually created on a YouTube channel. We have on our YouTube channel, we have videos for each one of these sews. I actually made all of these dresses. Not all the pictures ones, but I've made these dresses before for my nieces, and they are super adorable. So make sure that you check out that collection if you have a little one who loves princesses and would love to have a dress that looks like this, and even not just for Halloween, just for dress up on everyday basis. Make sure you check out this capsule because it's amazing. And you may already have a lot of these patterns. You just didn't know that you could just tweak them a little bit and create this princess capsule. So make sure that you check that one out. I will link it below. But that's probably my #1 pick because it's so easy and there's so many options on there. So go check it out. Now for kids, my second pick for kids is the beatbox romper, and I will add some pictures of that as well. The beatbox romper is a complete like pull over, it's like a PJ footy style romper, and I love the versatility of this because you can add so many little things and turn it into a little custom. And I'll add some pictures of some of our followers on here. Super adorable, super cute. There's so much that you can do with it. Another one that's super cute for kids is the Be Smart jumper. That is the little skirt with the little suspenders. I'm adding some here. I love this Luigi and Mario. And I love how the creativity just flows with this one. Also like an Alice in Wonderland would be beautiful for this, and anything sort of like that vibe or style. The valedictorian dress is a great one for like a Wednesday Addams kind of look with the little color. It is super cute, just throwing that one out there because I saw a picture just the other day of someone wearing a Wednesday Addams with the valedictorian, and I thought that was adorable, top notch. So that's another one. Now the next one is the Nightfall cape. The Nightfall cape, to me, it's great for like a cloak, and you can lengthen it. I saw some people who lengthen it a little bit to create more of a cloak-like feel. Super easy and quick pattern. I just did a hack on it the other day about doing it without a hood, but I think the hood would be perfect to put as an overcoat, especially if you are up north and your little one is wearing a costume and you want to put something on like a jacket or something, but you don't really want a jacket. You want something that matches the costume. Making a cloak with the Nightfall cape would be perfection because it will keep them warm, but it also keeps the flow of the costume. And that's really neat too, is that we have the adult version as well. Now this is one of those patterns that is a retiring pattern, so you may have to grab it quickly, or you may already have it in your library, so that will work out well. Now that we're talking about grown-up adult patterns, let me mention a couple of patterns that I love for grown-up costumes. First of all, I'm going to mention the Be the Leader top. The Be the Leader top is an off-the-shoulder flounce top, and the Be Bold, they are both similar. Be the Leader is for knit, Be Bold is for wovens. And I think that this is a great pattern to use as a base for a blouse if you're making a romantic type of feel, maybe like a princess costume, maybe like a Renaissance costume, something like a just flowy and beautiful. I actually used something a similar style to make a Mirabelle costume for me last year, and I loved how it turned out. And I used the same staycation dress pattern, and I turned it into just a skirt. I chopped off the bodice and just used the bottom piece, and I made a skirt, a 3-tier skirt to go along with it. And so that's another hack that would be super great to use as a skirt piece for to go with the flouncy top to create this magical dress, or just 2-piece. And you know, the cool thing is that then you can use that skirt as a separate and use the top as a separate. If you made a white top to go along, it would be super cute. We also have those patterns in kid sizes. So if this is something that you wanted to make for your kid, you can make matching. And another pattern that's super cute for that as well is the Lakeisha pattern. We just released the Lakeisha pattern, which is a gorgeous dress that's got this gather bodice with elastic around the shoulders and an elasticated sleeve, cap sleeve. Also, we have the bishop sleeve. Another perfect dress to use as a base for like a pirate costume, or you can change if you wanted to make the crop top version and throw on the urban leggings and then put something like a corset like thing at the waist, another pirate, or you know, so many different things that come to mind when I think of those patterns. And I'll add some inspiration pictures through this video. Hopefully it will help spark your ideas of what different costumes you can make with those. Now, the last thing I'm going to mention is a hoodie and the straight fit joggers. So we have a few different options on hoodies. The oversized tee, I use that, and the joggers, and I'll show a picture of here, to create a doggy costume. And literally all I did was make a hoodie out of brown fuzzy fabric, and I added some little ears to it. I did the same for my son. I made a black hoodie and black joggers, and I added some ears to it, and then I just made like a fake tail, and he dressed up as Bo, or dog, or black lab, and it was super adorable. I have to try to find a picture of that because I don't know if I have one. You know, where do we keep pictures anymore? I feel like you get a new phone and then you kind of lose the pictures that were on that phone. It's kind of sad. Anyway, moving on. That is a perfect one, and it is one that you could make easily, and it could be quick. And then later, you know, you could still wear the hoodie as a regular hoodie, and you can add all kinds of different things to your hoodies, not just doggy ears or puppy ears, but all kinds of animals, to create some beautiful costumes for even the grown-up version of your family. Like if you have a teen or something like that, and they're like, yeah, I don't really want to do too much, but a hood I can do. So anyway, those are some of my favorites. I hope that this has inspired you. I hope that the pictures have painted a picture for you and given you some inspiration on some different designs and some different patterns that you're going to be creating this year for your costumes or for dress up. And please, I'd love for you to comment below and let me know what you think I should make for myself. I'm trying to figure it out, and I'm a last minute person, so I've been procrastinating it. But it's getting to be that time where I need to really start thinking about it and figure out what I want to make. Let me also know what you made. What patterns have you used from Ellie and Mac to create your own costumes? I hope you enjoyed this little talk. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope you have a great holiday. And I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.